iron stairs are cold beneath my feet. The smell of brine is heavy in the air. The wind is whistling through the broken glass, but there is no one left to hear. I polish the lens with a rag that's worn and thin, counting the hours since the tide started coming in. The wick is short and the oil is running low, just like the fire we started a lifetime ago. The white paint is peeling, falling like winter snow, covering the tracks of where we used to go. Every wave is a ghost knocking on the door, looking for a shore that isn't there anymore. The horizon is empty, the sky's turning lead, hearing the echoes of the things we never said. And I'm keeping the light on for a ship that won't arrive, keeping a memory of us barely still alive. The fog is a wall and the sea is a grave, for every promise that we couldn't save. Yeah, I'm the keeper of a love that's gone to grave. Oh, just watching the world wash away. I found your initials carved into the railing beam, fading away like a half-forgotten dream. The floorboards are groaning under the weight of the dark, searching for a flame, but I can't find a spark. I've memorized the rhythm of it crashing down below. It's the only steady heartbeat I still know. The salt is in my lungs and the cold is in my bones, building a kingdom out of jagged heavy stones. The horizon is empty, the sky's turning lead, I'm still haunted by the things we never said. And I'm keeping the light on for a ship that won't arrive, keeping a memory of us barely still alive. The fog is a wall and the sea is a grave, for every promise that we couldn't save. Yeah, I'm the keeper of a love that's gone to grave. Oh, watching the world wash away. Break against the rocks, let the salt sting my eyes. Better to feel the pain than to live within the lies. The thunder is rolling, the storm is coming on, but it's hard to be a harbor when you're standing all alone. Yeah, it's so hard to be a harbor all alone. Oh, let it rain down on me. And I'm keeping the light on for a ship that won't arrive, keeping a memory of us barely still alive. The fog is a wall and the sea is a grave, for every promise that we couldn't say.